Where's that one at? Which one is it?
Yeah, Rashada. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, so I went ahead and I redid all these lines, these suppression cables. So number one is at the bottom. Number one is marked with yellow. I marked it with yellow. So the clip is between, according to the internet, I don't know if the internet is right or not, but the clip is between 1 and 2. Number 1 and 2. So it's 1, and it goes from 1 and it goes around. Okay? I can't tell you the order. I can't remember it.
Clockwise or counterclockwise?
It's clockwise. It's always clockwise. Okay. Here we go. Where's my gloves? I gotta put on my gloves.
Time to watch my uncle blow up.
No, don't say that. And the fire extinguisher's right here. Again,
Just for safety.
with fire extinguisher, right? You pull this really hard to tear this, and then you squeeze. Okay. But if the fire's out of control, use this. But I'm gonna try to make the fire go out, because the guys in the videos, they have fires, and it's not big fires. This one might be big because there's a lot of fuel all over the place. Oh, I forgot my gloves. Okay, sorry. See, just like I'm saying, I got oil all over the place. I got a mess all over the place. But anyway, this whole system I probably don't even know about. The distributor is supposed to go to the negative, and then the positive is supposed to go to the battery. So I don't know. Shoot. If this pops, then I guess we're gonna have to come back another day.
But it won't really pop as such. It just heats up and starts a little fire.
I've seen wires pop before in my experiences.
Oh, it actually pop.
It's just like kind of like a fuse. Just like a fusible lead. Oh wait, what was this? Oh,
That one, do that one, yeah.
Okay. According to whatever. So anyways, here goes nothing. Couple cranks, and then we'll see what happens. That does sound a little bit different, right?
Yeah, way much different.
So maybe the timing could be off, and so many things could be happening, but let's go ahead and
Give it some fuel.
get the fuel. It does sound like it's trying to start on.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll do this a couple more times. The battery's probably almost dead, and then immediately I have to go put the battery on the charger, or the battery's gonna
Discharge.
The guy got pissed off at me before, so see, I don't like that.
But it's close.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, the smoke could be just from catching what's in the cylinders on fire. So
Just pour all of it
I'm
in
not
there.
gonna pour all of it in there. I mean, I could open the choke and see if it makes a difference, but it could be no spark or something happening. So, or this could be completely wrong too.
Oh, see?
It's smoky. It's bad. Whew. Yeah, that was not good. So I guess I had it right the first way.
Now it's welded together.
Yeah, it looks like it is. I could have completely ruined that freaking coil by doing that. Possibly. This wire could be bad. It could be a bunch of things happening right now, but with my limited knowledge, I just going to I mean, everything's according to the instructions, so I mean, I could totally be off. I forgot my notebook to refer to. So, I mean, I don't know. That's crazy. Let's choke it. Try it again. With those experts on the internet, they do it like right away. You know what? I wonder if it's the same difference. Huh.
No,
No, right now.
no, because you're a bigger resistor or bigger conductor.
Yeah,
It was
it's
just-
less resistance, I think.
No, conductor, because
More
since
conduction?
that's a thicker gauge wire you're doing it to, it's gonna just go through your body.
Well, no, I mean. It's making spark because that smoke tells me that something's catching fire in there. I just
Yeah.
don't know. Unless the exhaust pipe's plugged up with something. And then
Or even worse, maybe a dead rat in there,
Yeah,
since
probably, I mean-
I smell something dead.
I mean, could have been freaking maybe a rat went in there. And no, I don't know. I don't think there's enough room in there for a rat to live. I don't know, man. I had it all planned out on my folder, but I left the folder at home. But I mean, you could crank it just to, I guess, make
crank
the
it.
thing flow. But this, no. Maybe it needs a really good connection. I don't know. But there's this one guy in the video that they reversed the polarities or something on the battery, and the battery blew up. That would have been a bummer. Not trying to do that.
What are you doing with the tiny hot wire?
I'm just gonna put it back where it was before and see if there's any.
No, but what is it supposed to do?
This is supposed to keep the ignition on the run position.
Mm.
This, touching this starts it, and then putting this here is
Cause
keeps it in the running
continuous.
position.
Yeah.
Because the way the solenoid works is that once it's got a connection, it will stay running by popping. Or, I don't know. There was a whole video about it, and of course I had this touching the. I don't want it to catch fire, really. I just want
Where's the exhaust?
Oh, the exhaust is broken. It's like right in the middle.
Oh.
I know that would be a good shot, but maybe if it actually starts. I don't know. There's something that I ain't doing right because I don't know what I'm doing. So
Maybe everything?
this is choke. I mean, the carburetor could
Half it.
not be properly right. You can't do half. It's all full. Well, I guess you can do half, huh?
Because it makes sense, because depending on how much energy you put into it.
Shoot. Well, it's turning over. That's always a cheap throw, but I expected some fire to happen today. So, I mean, they do have a way to check the coil. I wonder if the coil's not in properly. Let's see. You know, that could be a scenario. Yeah. Doesn't feel like you know what? It doesn't feel like the coil's in there.
But how come there's smoke coming out of it?
Ah, that's true. But maybe it gets fire somewhere else. I don't know. Yeah, it feels like that coil's not popping in there. Oh wait, that time it did.
Okay.
Now the other side of the coil here. Oh damn, the coil's kind of probably a little bit hotter than it should be. Damn, it is very hot. That's not good. Oh. Unless I killed the coil already.
Yeah.
That would suck. $30 down the drain. But you know what? I'd use my AutoZone reward. So maybe oh, you know what? No, I don't. I was gonna say maybe the coil needs to be grounded, but ooh, damn, the coil's really hot. That's kind of concerning. Yeah, that coil's really hot. I probably cooked it.
Yeah, because of the is it magnets? The
No,
coil?
it's just a coil. It's wrapped tight coil.
Okay. Because if it's through a magnet.
Yeah, we're gonna stop.
Yeah.
Let that coil cool off.
We can do it when we come back.
No, we're done today. I need to probably do more research and figure out what I'm doing. And plus, we need to put the battery. At least the battery's not hot. I don't know what I'm freaking doing. I know that unless. Oh, it's cooler now, but put your hand on the coil. It's freaking really hot. Oh, damn.
Ooh.
Feel it? I know.
You know what's harder than?
Huh?
You know what's more harder than?
Harder than what?
Two guys kissing.
Harder or hotter? You freaking sick person. Why do I allow you to do that on video camera, man? Oh, cool. Damn. Feels really hot. Hope it didn't melt the inside.
$13 almost.
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna post the first one day, and in a couple days I'll wait and post the other one, and hopefully I'll get comments of people saying, "You're stupid asshole. What you doing? Are you still recording?"